2 i-trust. Fernando da Cruz akanalo ixesha lo-assessa zonke ii-players ze-Kaizer Chiefs kwesi squad bafethu. So you must trust uKaizer Motaung Junior ngo-release the right players. At the same time, the consultation is kwenzeka obviously bafethu. Lo mntu sesane i-contract already. uKaizer Motaung Junior, he picks up the phone, he says jonga, look coach, we have 1 2 3 6 players up and sifuna uzihambisa ezi players. Fernando da Cruz wabuza what are the reasons? Okanye uKaizer Motaung Junior uzawuthi okay coach, since wena i-style kanye i-model ozodlala ngayo apha Kaizer Chiefs uTemos ufuna udlala ihlobo lithile this is the football that you want to play, ezi players lapha they're not going to fit in the way you want to play, they're not going to fit into your project futhi due to age yazo. Sometimes we have 3 strikers and then these 3 strikers, striker A and striker B bazofita ngendlela so striker C is not going to fit, or striker C is too similar to striker B and A, and then striker B and A basina 2-year contract ezishekileyo. Lo striker C who's similar to his players, lo striker C who's similar to his players yena contract yakhe yaphela, so we are releasing him. Yabo into ezinjalo. Fernando da Cruz naye can say look, this is how I'm going to play, this is the type of squad that I want midfielders is phazamisa. Before siqhubekeke ndicela i-support, nishaye u-like okanye usubscribe. Nenye into sicela ningaskiphi i-ads xa zingena apha ke-screen. As i-content creators iyanceda kakhulu loo nto if aniskiphi i-ads. Inkosi bafethu. Majita, welcome back to the channel bafethu. Igama lam ndinguSeko. Okokuqala, congrats to Bafana Bafana bafethu. Hola bafethu. Kule video bafethu ndithetha nge-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs have released 1 player so far officially, George Matlo. There are no surprises there. Bengenisa video in the past few weeks nachaza i-players of Kaizer Chiefs. George Matlo bekulo list bafethu. At the same time, there's a second player kuthiwa yahamba already nayo, subject to an official announcement. Kuba lo Happy Mashiane, Happy bafethu, athande ku-Happy bafethu. Most Kaizer Chiefs fans ziyamthanda uHappy, kudala zamthanda uHappy, even ne-neutrals, i-fans ezinye clubs ziyamthanda uHappy. Kudala zabo khona i-players ezinjeyana bazithandwa zii-fans from other clubs bafethu. So a credible journalist bafethu esiyitrustayo apha ku-Football SA, uMazola Molefe, has confirmed uHappy Mashiane is gone, subject to an official announcement from Kaizer Chiefs, which can happen in the next few hours or in the next few days. But obviously Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ayizoreleasa 2 players qha bafethu. Kule video ndizawuthetha ngezinye players ezilandelayo nazo. I mean, it's too obvious bafethu. Kudala salandela ibhola bafethu, kudala sazibona transfer windows. Iplayer ehambayo umbona goodbye isekude bafethu, bayehamba le player Kaizer Chiefs okanye kulo club. That is just the nature of football. That is what happens in July bafethu ke-football season. I-clubs have to make the right decisions bafethu, and xa urecruiter i-transfer window bafethu, it's not just about i-players ezingenayo, but it's about ureleasa the right players. Kubalulekile i-club, i-sporting directors, i-technical directors ziyazi okay jonga zeziphi players ezi-right ezihanjiswayo bafethu. Zininzi reasons bafethu, can be i-financial okay i-club funeka ikwazi okay jonga ngobani bareleasayo ke-wage bill yayo. I-players ezingazucontributa kwi-club, ezingazuyenza i-club improve from the previous season. Kaizer Chiefs mosman last season befinishe number 3, and njengefinishe number 3 ke ngoku uyazazi ezi players ezizacontributa phana kuze ifinishe phana number 3. I-players ezingakhange zicontribute ki-success ye-club in the previous season ziyahamba bafethu, especially xa kuphela ii-contracts zazo. So i-contract nayo also plays a role. At the same time i-club bafethu afuneka ngerelease nje bafethu, funeka bekhona i-continuity. Awufuni uthi uyoba ne-success ethile in the previous season and then ke ngoku uzophinde restart again or rebuild a squad. No, funeka bekhona i-continuity. But you have to say goodbye to certain players bafethu. Akukho grand for any club uba mawugcine i-players ozaziyo uba azodlala. I-players bafethu is unhappy, azikho grand for spirit se-club ne-dressing room bafethu. You have to let them go. And also about i-space bafethu, club can only accommodate a certain number of players, even for izinto ezifana ne-parking lot. I-parking lot bafethu azikho limitless. I-space kwi-dressing room ejimini azikho limitless. But most of all bafethu, unhappy players bafethu ziyakwazi u-influence in the dressing room ingabikho grand, so you have to let them go i-players ezingekho plans. You ask yourself ke ngokuba say coach akafiki, Kaizer Chiefs ireleasa njani i-players bafethu. Loo nto it goes to 2 things bafethu, i-power ne-authority ye-sporting director kwenye i-technical director ye-club bafethu. Ngabo abarecruiter i-players, ngabo basana ezi-players. I-coaches come and go bafethu. I-coach ingafika apha mara kuse i-last there for like 2 months 3 months, kodwa kusele coach lena isane players maybe ezi-4 and then sele coach ibithe mahlala i-players ezi-5 apha, kanti le coach izohamba 2 months later. That's why ke ngoku kuse i-sporting directors ne-technical directors soloko zine-bigger say bafethu kwi-squad recruitment bafethu. Number 2, i-trust. uFernando da Cruz akanalo ixesha lo-assessa zonke ii-players ze-Kaizer Chiefs kwesi squad bafethu. So you must trust uKaizer Motaung Junior ngo-release the right players. At the same time, the consultation iza kwenzeka obviously bafethu. Lo muntu sesane i-contract already. uKaizer Motaung Junior, he picks up the phone, he says jonga, look coach, we have 1, 2, 3, 6 players up and it says funa uzihambisa ezi players. Fernando da Cruz wabuza what are the reasons? Okanye uKaizer Motaung Junior uzawutsho okay coach, since wena i-style kanye i-model ozodlala ngayo apha Kaizer Chiefs uThemos ufuna udlala ihlobo lithile this is the football that you want to play, ezi players lapha they're not going to fit in the way you want to play, they're not going to fit into your project futhi due to age yazo. Sometimes we have 3 strikers and then these 3 strikers, striker A and striker B bazofita ngendlela so striker C is not going to fit, or striker C is too similar to striker B and A, and then striker B and A basina 2-year contract ezishekileyo. Lo striker C who's similar to his players, yena contract yakhe yaphela, so we are releasing him. Yabo into ezinjalo. Fernando da Cruz naye can say look, this is how I'm going to play, this is the type of squad that I want midfielders ezine-profile enjena nje, ndifuna ii-defenders, ndifuna ii-strikers ezine-profile enjena nje, ii-wingers ezisona so zizawufitha to i-style ne-project yam. Decisions are made ke ngoku. So with George Mahlow gone and Happy Mashiane set for an official announcement, here are 5 more players ezolandela bafethu. Apha kule list bafethu ikhona enye player bafethu ngombe man kuthiwa iyahamba bafethu, ii-reports ezitshoyo ezi-reliable zithi uyahamba ngomjida, but man I like la player bafethu. I hope Kaizer Chiefs izaba khona indlela decide man ubani makahlale man bafethu. But before ningene kule list bafethu, let me remind you kule season ka-2026-27 iqala ngo-August bafethu ningalahleki bafethu, nihlala pha ku-Football SA bafethu. Ndizabe ndityhuna i-match previews ne-match reactions ezigrand bafethu throughout the season bafethu. Nihlala pha ku-Football SA bafethu, izawusuka ndizabe ndikhona apha. Number 1 iplayer ahambayo bafethu ezolandela nayo announcement yayo uTashreeq Morris bafethu. Tashreeq Morris bafethu, xa ndisiva ndava phofu kuthiwa uTashreeq Morris Kaizer Chiefs had i-doubts about umsayina. The striker yasigned from iSiwelele FC. Kuthiwa Nazareddine Nabi forced this signing. Kaizer Chiefs were not sure about his signing, but Nazareddine Nabi were forced this is the player. And then it was one of the reasons Kaizer Chiefs, Kaizer Motaung Junior, a relationship yakhe noNabi broke down, because Tashreeq Morris was not a success bafethu. Basi wasane 2-year contract and an option to renew bafethu. Ufike ngoJanuary Kaizer Chiefs yenze swap, Christian Sayile wake Siwelele, Tashreeq Morris wafika apha Kaizer Chiefs. Tashreeq Morris not only is not good enough technically for Kaizer Chiefs, he's a bit too similar to Flavio da Silva, plus no Etiosa Igodaro, like a big 9 that holds up play. Kaizer Chiefs did not make sense ngosayina i-strikers ezisimilar ngela hlobo. So Tashreeq Morris uyalandela with goodbyes. Player number 2 bafethu, yi-fan favorite kwezinye fans. It's almost like a cult hero umjida, but technically he's not been good enough for Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Sibongiseni Ox Mthethwa, iyaphela i-contract yakhe. Maybe if i-contract yakhe ibinayo omnye unyaka, Kaizer Chiefs bizamnika i-benefit of the doubt, ashiyeke ahlale until i-contract yakhe iphele, because i-fan base iyamthanda, but the age is not on his side. Umthethwa na 33. At the same time, Umthethwa, as I say, technically is not at the level of Kaizer Chiefs. You can't just be a good tackler, but must be able to play out in modern football. And Umthethwa futhi bese noba useful game ezithile next season, like abe a-tactical player, bone la substitute in a difficult game, big game, Chiefs lead 1-0, Umthethwa ngathi gqi protect i-lead nge-75th minute, but the contract yakhe yaphela and Kaizer Chiefs have no reason uba mayimgcine. Player number 3 out of the door bafethu, Ashley Dupree. Kaizer Chiefs ibizame umreleasa Ashley Dupree even ngoJanuary, but khange ngikwazi ufumana ii-deals. As things stand ngoku ndiyava uba okay, Kaizer Chiefs trying to get i-player ethile Stellenbosch FC, and then Ashley Dupree abe yi-swap. uDupree bafethu unayi-potential ability, but i-style of play asifithi Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. uDupree is all about speed, counter attacks, but Kaizer Chiefs are not going to play like that bafethu. Don't play like that. I-style Kaizer Chiefs. So i-questionable uba Kaizer Chiefs ayimsayine kwasekuqaleni uDupree ba yayibona Stellenbosch apho Ashley Dupree made his name. Stellenbosch bafethu i-team edlala deep edefendayo, and then idlala ke-break, ke-counter, ispanise i-speed. Ashley Dupree udirect bafethu. Ashley Dupree akashayi ii-players nge-technical ability yakhe. Ashley Dupree ushaya nge-speed bafethu. Dlala 1-2 touches, finish. Most of it running ne-speed, 1-2 touch, goal bafethu. But Kaizer Chiefs do not play like that bafethu. A Kaizer Chiefs striker needs to have a lot of technical ability, by being ability ebholeni bafethu, by be comfortable with ibhola enyaweni. Ashley Dupree does not have that skill enough. uDupré bafethu akana enough ball skills for Kaizer Chiefs. He's a good player but does not fit Kaizer Chiefs. And uDupré, because he has potential, Kaizer Chiefs uzonika i-transfer opportunities team ezifana neStellenbosch. Player number 4 out of the door, Pulemodi bafethu had opportunities ezininzi bafethu for uba succeed Kaizer Chiefs. Pulemodi bafethu akho player eyafumana opportunity njengalena kuzo zonke ezi-players lapha kule list bafethu. uModi udlalisiwe Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, uyifumene i-playing time, akanothi uba Kaizer Chiefs zangayifumane i-chance opportunity. Udlalile uMjida but things just did not happen for yena uMjida. He was not Kaizer Chiefs quality, was not Kaizer Chiefs level. Benazi moment of brilliance phana but not consistent enough bafethu. And i-contract yakhe iyaphela futhi, and uModi wakhosta Kaizer Chiefs i-relationship neGolden Arrows futhi. Golden Arrows ayifuni Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje nxa kaPulemodi Pulemodi zangafuna usign i-contract entsha ke-Arrows waye Kaizer Chiefs on a free deal. Contract yakhe yaphela and Pule is 33. And le coach izayo Fernando da Cruz bafethu ndiyava bakuse uMjida is all about the 4-3-3 as banchilo kwivideo ayizolo. 4-3-3, we have to be very, very quick and dynamic and skillful. You have to be very, very quick, dynamic, enterprising. Pulemodi player system akazolunga anyways, plus age is not on his side, plus i-contract yakhe yaphela. Kaizer Chiefs have no reason enough uba mayimgcine uMjida. Player number 5 out of the door bafethu nguFiacre Ntwari, goalkeeper. Ntwari bafethu, surprisingly, Ntwari wasayina i-3-year kanye 4-year contract Kaizer Chiefs bafethu plus any option yo-extender. Wow, lo decision andiyazi bayavela phi bafethu, but unfortunately uMjida is a foreign player that is not playing, and say clubs bafethu they can only register 5 foreign players. Any foreign players are on high salaries. Kaizer Chiefs, it is too costly for uba babe foreign player bafethu ethatha i-foreign sport plus i-foreign players bafethu towards the high salaries bafethu. And then uhlele ebhenchini akadlali uMjida. Brandon Peterson is by far the best goalkeeper at Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs are promoting uTakalani Mazahambi, who's going to be the understudy of Peterson. Kaizer Chiefs before ukumhambisa uNtwari kwangoJanuary bafethu, but is stuck in a contract, can't was money deals. Kaizer Chiefs inenye window opportunity ngoku bamahambise uFiacre Ntwari. And also uNtwari, a player a high profile bafethu, uRwanda international, and you believe ability yakhe, and you feel ba akafuneka ahlale ebenchini bafethu naye upusha for a move bamakahambi. Kaizer Chiefs hopefully this time izokwazi ufumana i-deal for uNtwari, otherwise ngoku is stuck in a contract yakhe, which was a mistake from Kaizer Chiefs umnika i-4-year contract. Ntwari is unhappy, and you don't keep an unhappy player uzo infecta i-dressing room yakho. Kaizer Chiefs should get a deal. Ntwari angaza ne-opportunity Kaizer Chiefs for another swap deal. And then enye player bafethu apha, le player yona there are strong reports from reliable sources bafethu ayahamba, but engathi ihamba nyani uMjida, but anumbalanga apha nje 5 players yena player number 6 bafethu, but jonga engathi uyahamba uMjida, but nanjabulanga bafethu. I'm just hoping bangahambi uMjida. There's izinye fans the Chiefs zithi ajonga kwanele makahamba uMjida, but bafethu Gaston Sereno bafethu, Sereno I still believe bafethu has something with Sereno is special bafethu. I just blame coaches bafethu bezikhona Kaizer Chiefs kanti kwazi uspanisa Gaston Sereno bafethu. Sereno bafethu ayikho play Kaizer Chiefs ngoku kweza squad se Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ikwazi ucreate something out of nothing bafethu, kwazi ucreate i-magic out of nothing bafethu njengoSereno bafethu. Ngubani enqali bangubani bafethu? Sereno bafethu unala X factor as a player bafethu. Qha Sereno, he is his own enemy uMjida. He doesn't train very well, discipline issues nasebaleni uMjida ill disciplined ke simbone yellow cards ufighter nezinye players no referee. And also enye into besane 1-year contract na Kaizer Chiefs must befika uMjida, so Kaizer Chiefs don't have enough motivation for uba Sereno mayimnike contract entsha bafethu, and Kaizer Chiefs izosayina enye attacking midfielder obviously, so that's another reason ba okay jonga Sereno bamhambise. But I hope abazumhambisa uMjida, and I believe man Sereno bakhona man into man uMjida ngabanayo man. Noba uSereno bafethu ungamnika 15 minutes bafethu, yabo Kaizer Chiefs abane games ezininzi mosman ngoku bafethu khona CAF Confederation Cup. Sereno ungamnika like Sereno ungamnika i-cup minutes bafethu kanye say last 10 minutes ki league bafethu, unala magic mosman. So yeah, hopefully bafethu Sereno uzohlala bafethu, but i-reports azithembisi bafethu. So nazo bafethu ezinye players via Kaizer Chiefs. Ngicela ntoni Machida basinqole i-comments bafethu, ngalibala support i-channel bafethu, go like kanye subscribe, watch bafethu.